So this is part of the learning objective for creating a sweeping motion, kind of like that from the proof of concept. So this is a motion that will send, enable a direction for 5 seconds, pause for about 1.5 seconds, and then we'll go the other direction, 5 seconds, pause, and then it just kind of repeats that on loop. So I'm going to run through the code real quick. So it starts off with an initial button press that kind of initializes it, sets the direction, goes for a certain amount of time, resets, and sets the different states here. These blue blocks are the timers, and they are time on. So as soon as that input signal is there, it will turn on for 5 seconds, and then after the 5 seconds, Q will activate, and then it resets the state that it's in. As mentioned in the SDL document, there is quite a bit of interesting state machine logic coming off these, and this is a relatively simple example, but you have to set and reset every single one of these bits for each state. So you set a state, you use that state as kind of a gate here to check that it's there, and then you reset it, and then you set your next state. This is a very linear example where it's one state and then it moves to the next, the next, the next. So it's fairly straightforward, and I imagine getting to the later parts of the project, this is going to be very complicated, where there's going to be multiple checks, multiple sets and resets. But anyhow, code is flashed. So once again, you just initialize with button press. So it starts rotating counterclockwise, stops, rotates clockwise, stops, and we'll rotate counterclockwise again. And it'll just repeat that until the end of time. So that's kind of the overview of the objective.